Hi, it's Matt from WPL A UK. Today we're going to show you what's required for the first fix on a WPL A 07 premium air source heat pump. Our connections are at the back of the heat pump, so we'll have a little look at them now. So at the back of the WPL A07 premium air source heat pump, we have our 28mm flow and our 28mm return. Just remember there's a 100mm gap between both the flow and the return. Our electrical connections are behind this panel. So we can open the panel up. There's a torque screw which allows us to access the panel from the side of the heat pump. So we can open the connections up. We have our compressor supply, 25 amp, our onboard boosters, so it will be 16 or two 16 amp supplies depending how many kilowatts we are using, and we have our controls. This will be a 16 amp supply. This connection here is for a trace heater or a ribbon heater. This is only required if you are installing a trace heater. And the final connection is our communication cable. This is a Cat5, Cat6 screened data cable that needs to run back to your WPM controller. In this section we will look at our electrical diagram. We will also look at what supplies are required. Starting with the terminal X2. This is our communication cable between the outdoor air source heat pump unit and our indoor controller. A Cat5 or 6 screen cable is required. This will need to be earthed at the heat pump. Our compressor supply, X3, requires a 25 amp supply. Our controls, X4, require a 16 amp supply. This supply can be used to power the outdoor control circuit and our indoor controller, as we can see highlighted with two isolators. Finally, the DHC or X5 is our onboard elements or boosters. These are a 3 and 3.2 kilowatt immersion. If you are connecting 3 kilowatts, you will need a 16 amp supply. If you are connecting both the 3 and 3.2 kilowatt elements, then two 16 amp supplies will be required with individual isolators. As these are individual supplies, an isolator is required for each circuit. Now we will have a look at the minimum clearances for the WPL A 07 Premium. Starting at the back of the heat pump, we need to leave a 300mm clearance. The WPL A07 Premium requires a 2 meter clearance in front of the unit and 500mm either side. We also need to leave an 800mm clearance above the air source heat pump. For any additional questions or queries about first fix, second fix, or any queries about the products, please contact our technical team either on 0151 346 2300 or email technical@stevel-eltron.co.uk. We hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.